10 health benefits of peanuts. These delectable, crispy, and silky nuts are small nuggets with a long list of health advantages. They're perfect for a snack at any time of day. Peanuts are high in a variety of micro and macronutrients that our bodies require. Peanuts are not only good for your health and nutrition, but they also taste great. Peanuts are also a cost-effective alternative to other nuts and a flexible component for a variety of meals and snacks. Peanuts provide a slew of health advantages. 1. Heart healthy. Several studies have shown that consuming peanuts reduces the risk of developing any type of heart disease. Peanuts are high in nutrients that are essential for heart health. Magnesium, copper, a balanced mix of unsaturated fats, and antioxidants like resveratrol all help to keep your heart healthy. 2. Good source of protein. Peanuts have a high protein level, accounting for 22 to 30% of their total calories. Peanut butter on toast or crackers is a terrific pre-workout or midday snack that contributes to overall protein intake. Peanuts can help provide the protein requirements of kids, which are important for their growth. 3. Weight loss. For individuals trying to reduce weight, peanuts can be added in moderation. The high protein content, as well as the healthy unsaturated fats, are not only beneficial for weight reduction, but they also have a high satiety value, which helps to prevent binge eating. 4. Brain function. Vitamin B1, niacin, and folate are essential nutrients for a healthy and sharper brain. These nutrients are provided to your body when you eat peanuts. Your brain gets more active and focused as a consequence. 5. Strong bones. The weakening of various bones in our body occurs as we age. As a result, you should focus on consuming nutritious food alternatives like peanuts before your bones begin to lose their strength. Nutrients and vitamins present in peanuts will keep up the strength of your bones as you get older. 6. Healthy skin. Peanuts help to keep skin smooth and bright. Niacin, vitamin B3, and the antioxidant oleic acid, which are present in peanuts, not only prevent wrinkles, but also defend against a variety of skin disorders. 7. Improves vision. Green leafy vegetables and peanuts are the greatest foods to eat when it comes to preserving eye health. Zinc, which is found in peanuts, aids in the transfer of vitamin A, which is necessary for clear vision. Peanuts also include vitamin E, which helps to prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataract development. 8. Reduces cancer risk. Eating peanuts has been found to lower the risk of cancer in studies. The presence of proteins and vitamin E in peanuts reduces the risk of cancer. Peanuts have a high amount of resveratrol, an antioxidant that aids in cancer prevention. 9. Diabetic friendly. Peanuts are entirely safe for diabetic people since they contain no sugar. They are nutrient-dense while also being tasty. 10. Gallstone prevention. Gallstones affect around 25% of individuals each year. This is a disease caused by high cholesterol levels that are out of control. Peanuts lower cholesterol, thus eating them on a daily basis lowers the chance of gallstones. Peanuts are micro and macronutrient powerhouses in a tiny package. They provide a variety of health and nutritional advantages. Peanuts will not only help you build muscle but will also help you lose weight if you include them in your diet. Furthermore, due to its great plant-based supply of protein, different vitamins, minerals, and plant components, this is one nut that may be taken on a daily basis. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.